I'm at Pepboys and the dude can't figure out how to put my car in gear. What? Oh, because this is funny. Having trouble? Come on. What's weird? You got it?
3, 4. Okay, so this is right.
Pull it over and up. That's first.
That's first.
That's first gear.
Got you.
All right, go ahead. You good. I won't bother you. Go ahead. Get out of your way. He's gonna stall it. Ow! He stalled it! I told you! He stalled it! What's weird about it?
This ain't normal.
It is normal. You don't want to get caught stalling again, do you?
Nah, I don't want it. I don't want him to beat that.
Look at those hot ass tail lights. Don't worry, guys. I got it. He's gonna stall it. I guarantee you. Again, nope. Oh, he made it in. What's wrong with it? All right, guys. So I'm actually here at Pepboys because I need to change those front tires because obviously they're bad. And I wanted Omi to do it, and we really wanted to laugh because we were kind of half joking when he said that he can't. Why are you in reverse?